Alright, so you clicked on this video here because of one or two reasons, right? You either an iPhone hater and you just don't like seeing greatness, or you an iPhone lover and you love seeing greatness. So either way, I'm gonna be unboxing this iPhone here and showing you guys the natural titanium color. Now I do got the blue titanium color that's gonna also be in-house, and when I get that, I'll show you guys, but I literally been out of town, like traveling for work and doing some other different things. But trust and believe, I do have that on the way. I literally missed the FedEx truck because I was out of town, but either way, we here. So I'm gonna show you guys the natural titanium color, which is honestly, in my opinion, is probably one of the best colors out of the four that they debuted this year. Without further ado, man, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. I'm gonna show it to you, and then from there, I'm gonna give you guys my honest thoughts on what I feel about this titanium. Is it good? Is it like a fingerprint magnet? All of that. Is it better than what we already have and the stainless steel and all of that? So let's go ahead and do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this bad boy off. Now, one of the things for me personally that I feel like makes it like worth the actual upgrade, in my opinion, and that 100% is USB-C in comparison to something like the lightning cable of what we used to getting on the iPhones in the past. So for me, I just feel like it's worth making that upgrade regardless of any of the iPhones that you have. Even if you got last year's model, I personally still think it's worth the upgrade because of this change right here. And there's a lot of different reasons that I'm going to talk about in like future videos, because you can even plug this into a monitor and then literally turn this into a gaming console like this right here. With Apple putting USB-C on the bottom of this iPhone here literally changes the game, because it turns your iPhone into a complete gaming console, and I'm gonna be showing you guys that in future videos, so definitely be on the lookout for that. First, my initial thoughts and impressions in regards to this phone right here. 100%, it is way lighter than what we got on the iPhone 13 Pro or even the iPhone 14 Pro with that stainless steel. You don't realize how much weight stainless steel is in comparison to titanium. Like, it is literally night and day, y'all. Like, there is a crazy change and difference in weight with titanium versus the stainless steel in the past. Now, don't get me wrong, is the stainless steel like a bad looking phone? The iPhone 13 Pro in the stainless steel is still a damn good phone, but I gotta say, I'm digging the matte finish on the titanium as well. Like, I feel like it just looks super freaking clean, y'all. Like, just look at it. Like, it's just, ah, man, it's so dope looking. I know there was a lot of people out there complaining about, you know, the titanium was showing like fingerprint smudges and all of that. Now, I will say on this one right here, just me putting my fingerprints on here, I'm not really seeing what they were seeing. Now, I feel like that is going to be something that's going to be more on the darker model. So if you guys are getting like the blue titanium, and you can see what that looks like right here on the screen as far as the fingerprints on it, or if you guys was to get like the black titanium and stuff like that, those probably will show a lot of the fingerprints. But I feel like with this natural titanium, it's not actually showing any fingerprints. Like, it's kind of got this, I don't know, it's like a coating on it that I'm not seeing any fingerprints on it. But, you know, again, we're going to have to test it out in more time and all of that to give you guys my full final thoughts on it. Now, again, one of the other changes we get with this one versus the iPhone 13 Pro is the action button. So the action button here is a new button here on the iPhones versus what we got here on the older iPhones is the kind of mute switch here on the side and vibrate switch, versus this one we have an action button that we can easily be able to turn on and off our cameras. We can turn on the flashlight from the press of a button, and they have a whole application in here that's going to allow you guys to be able to easily set that up. So let's go ahead and continue through here so I can give you guys just kind of like my overall thoughts about this phone. But I gotta say, man, just initial thoughts on it, man, the titanium is definitely the wave. It's crazy how light this phone is. Like, it's just insane. Now, this is what I was talking about here as far as the action button. So we can go in and actually customize this, which I think is dope how they did it as far as easily being able to just swipe through the different things. Now, for me, I'll probably have it set as the camera, but you can do it as a silent mode. You can have it as a certain focus that you guys want. You can have it as a camera to launch your camera. You can have it launch your flashlight, voice memo, magnifier, shortcuts, which is a whole different ball game. And I'm probably gonna be doing some videos here showing you guys some of the cool shortcuts that you can do with the tap of that button, you know, just to kind of automate some things with your phone with just a quick tap of a button. And then you can also set your accessibility options and features, or you can have the button do absolutely nothing if that's what you want. Now for me, just for the sake of the video, let's go ahead and set it up to be our camera, so we can go ahead and do that. We finally in this bad boy, swipe up, and there we have it. This is the brand new iPhone in that titanium, natural titanium at that, as far as the color option goes. Now, I am going to be doing a video here coming up soon showing you guys all of the cases here that you guys can get as far as Apple silicone cases with the brand new iPhone here that you guys can actually put on here, and you can kind of see them what they look like, but that's going to be in a separate video. But all in all, man, just wanted to get this video out to you guys and showcase it off to you if you guys are deciding to get the new iPhone. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. But in my first initial impression, hey, I'm telling you right now, this phone is absolute heat. Like, man, I'm loving the titanium for sure. Now let's go ahead and press this action button because I want to see if it actually works. Boom. Oh, you got to press hold to open. Okay, boom. And you just hold it to open, and then boom, not going to allow for right now. Continue, and bam, just like that, we into the camera. Now let's go ahead and take a quick selfie here because I want to test the cameras out here. Boom. Quick selfie. But yeah, man, overall, man, I feel like the iPhone 15 Pro, I feel like it is a good looking phone. Now, if you guys want to upgrade from the iPhone 14 lineup or the iPhone 13 lineup or the iPhone 12 lineup, I feel like, yeah, you should do that. Honestly, because of why not go ahead and start getting into the newest and latest and greatest when it comes to the charging port. And I know what some of you Apple haters out there is going to say, well, Android had it a long time ago. We get that. But hey, let Apple people live, y'all. We trying to, you know what I mean? We trying to better ourselves out here. So let us live, man. But either way, y'all, I feel like it is a good idea to upgrade when it comes to this iPhone here, just because of the cable port that we get at the bottom. I mean, I feel like that says it all. But another thing I feel like that you guys should get with it is my brand new C1 signature stand. This is the stand that I personally use. This is my personal brand and branded stand and branded product. This is a product I stand by. It is solid material that you guys can get. It's perfect for your iPhone. You can have it in portrait mode, or you can also have it in landscape mode if you guys want to watch a movie or anything like that, or you can even have it bedside as well. Other than that, man, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Overall, I personally feel the iPhone 15 Pro is legit, but if you don't, then let me know in the comments why, because it's got to be a fire reason, because I don't know any other reason that you could say that it's not. But either way, thanks again for watching. See y'all in the next one. Squad, we out. And we got a bunch of videos coming y'all way too.